So this is the millet. It is locally known as Kali, Acholi, and some other Luo tribes refer to it as Kal, dependable. It's a nice kind of thing that many people like. You prefer to feel where? Where do you prefer? So this is the purpose of this video. Let me see you through it. Are you seeing me through it? This is Olwete. Olwete is a metallic plate rounded with sharp edges and a protective piece of cloth. It is used for harvesting this. So the name has been derived from your fingernails. It is called Olwete, which means it resembles the fingernails. So when I try to harvest this, how should I? Tell you bring the camera close to me. What come over? Okay, I've already learned, guys. So you put it here like this. When you're grabbing it, like I don't know if this one is ready. So when you're grabbing it, this edge here has to cut it like this. So this is why it is called Olwete. So I hope you guys have known what is Olwete. Thanks for watching the video. More cultural stuffs are coming. Bye bye.